Video tutorial of how to install IBM SPSS Statistics. Kiku teaching and tutorial.
First, we have to open this folder, the SPSS 27 version. Right-click, then open with WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, you have to download it sa Google or sa Chrome. Then just follow the following steps. Then let us open this folder. Tapos dito sa SPSS Statistics, double-click lang din. Password is 123, then okay. Antayin lang nating mag-pop up. Habang nag-e-extract siya, wait lang natin. Then, kapag lumabas na to, click natin yung next. Click accept, then next. Tapos next ulit. Then install. Dito, huwag nyo munang i-click yung finish. Click nyo muna yung start SPSS, then finish. Then, follow nyo na lang yung mga susunod na steps.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.